How to install YouTube app on Android. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. In most of the Androids, YouTube is by default on their phones, but if you have a new phone, it might not be there. So you can get it from the Play Store. I'll show you the process. First of all, go to the Play Store and then make sure that you are logged into a Google account or Gmail account so that you will be able to download apps from the Play Store. And then tap on the search navigation and search for YouTube. After that, here you'll find the option of install. So you can simply tap on that install and then YouTube will be downloaded to your phone and it will be shown on your home screen as well. Here it's by default on my phone. So you can simply tap on install and get the YouTube app and just create your channel and sign into YouTube. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.